guys, just bought a side mount swivel jack with a wheel on the end of it. My original jack was right there. Kind of hit that lip into the driveway in the garage, trying to back it in here, and it bent it. Totally destroyed it, damaged it. It wouldn't retract or anything. So we're going to try mounting that. Comes with 2 brackets for the other side and 4 bolts. Well, of course, you know what? One nut's missing. I have to go to Home Depot later and get them. I'm going to go ahead and put it on now. Let's see how we can get this going. Okay, I got 2 15mm wrenches. Bam. Bam. I was going to put it in front of the tire, but it looks like it's going to jam it, and I don't want it to dig into the groove of the spare. So I'm going to see how we can